Well, hello world! It's Kami Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I wanted to do a full face of makeup using products that are under $15. And as you can see, Cody Frijole is in the house, so it's gonna be messy, it's gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be loud. So if you're ready to see some excitement and lots of noises and maybe some tantrums, then keep on watching if you want to see the look I'm going to create. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done, and I used the NYX Tame Frame brow pomade. Okay guys, so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I'm going to use this to clean up under my brows and use as my eyeshadow primer. Okay, to set the concealer, I'm going to take Makeup Revolution banana powder, and it's just going to lock it in place. Wow, what a difference. Okay guys, so for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration in Bling Boss. I haven't used it. I haven't even swatched it, as you can see. So I don't know the look that I'm going to create. Let's see where the makeup brushes take us. If you will just stop moving, we can get started. And I didn't even zoom in. Okay, so now that we're all the way zoomed in into my face, I just sweat. Sorry. Let's take a Sigma E40, and we're gonna take the shade Hush Hush. Let me see if I can point it out. This shade right here, and I'm going to use this shade as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, Rockstar, and I'm using that same Sigma E40 brush. Okay, so I know it's looking kind of crazy, a little messy, a little choppy, but we're going to keep it moving and hopefully it all comes together in the end. So I'm going to take a Sigma E36, and I'm going to take the shade Mystic right here, and I'm going to deepen up that crease. Okay, so next I'm going to take my NYX concealer in 02, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease as well as kind of like clean up all the imperfections. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and I'm going in with Mystic, this shade right here, on an Alimad Cosmetics brush. It's just a flat definer brush, and I'm going to use this on the outer portion of my eye. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Ballsy right here on a Sigma E56, and I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my eye. So for the next shade, I'm going to take Gem, and I'm going to use that same Sigma E56, and I'm going to put this in between the two colors. Okay, now I'm going to go back in the shade with Mystic, and I'm going to put that on my wing. Okay, to deepen up the cut crease, I'm going to take just a flat definer brush and I'm going to go back in with that shade Mystic. And to clean up that negative space, I'm going to go back in with the NYX concealer and just like on a small flat brush, I'm just going to define that a little bit better. Okay, so I don't want to use a white to set it, so I'm going to go back in with Hush Hush and just on a flat definer brush, I'm just going to add that to the negative space. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera as well as my base, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after I finished my lashes off of camera, I realized, hello, you can't do your base off of camera because this is a video using products under $15. So here we are now. I just applied Kiss lashes in the style corset. So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So I'm gonna go in with a KIKO mascara, the extra Sculpt volume mascara. And I'm just honestly just gonna hit it really quick at the bottom. Okay, so moving on to primer, I'm gonna take NYX Angel Veil and I'm just going to apply a little bit. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to take NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, a full coverage foundation. I was going to do a foundation review on this, but yeah, I didn't film it, so I'm gonna just, yeah. And I'm just going to use my very dirty EcoTools sponge. Okay, so just in case I forget to put in the description bar for my foundation, I am in the shade Neutral Tan. And then for concealer, I'm going to take Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light. And then I'm going to go back in with that Makeup Revolution Banana Powder to set it. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to take an e.l.f. product. It's a pressed mineral bronzer in the shade Tan Toffee. This is Wet n Wild's Color Icon in the shade Rose Champagne, or is it Rosé? Is it Rosé or is it Rose? I'm going to go in with this shade real quick. Let me add a little bit more. He broke it. I knew he did. He was banging it around. See? Oh my gosh, this little boy, this is his second blush. He's broken. So for highlight, I'm going to take another Wet n Wild product. This is their Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. I just realized that I don't have a eyeliner from the drugstore, so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild's. It's an actual brow pencil, but it's black, so I'm hoping it'll work just fine. Okay, so that legit did nothing. It did nothing. So I'm just going to take this, a single eyeshadow. So let's just keep it moving. We're gonna do our lower lash line. So I'm gonna take this definer brush. I'm gonna go in with Mystic. And then I'm gonna take a Morphe E18 and I'm gonna go in with a Rockstar. I forgot to do my inner corner highlight, and I really want to try Glitz and Glam. It's alright. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Precious Petals. There we go. Sweet. Let's keep it moving, and now we are down to our eyeliner. We need to do our lower lashes. That took me a long time to say, but I'm going to go in with Rimmel's Lash Accelerator. We're finally down to our lips, and I'm going to take a Sephora Cream Lip Satin in the shade number 13. I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup using the NYX Dewy Spray. Alright guys, so this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you must have subscribed and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time, bye guys! Oh, booger. Stop using Big Red. It's delicious. Maybe it's a Texas thing. I don't know. What is that? Is that eyelash? That is eyelash glue from yesterday. I keep saying okay. Should be a drinking game. Keep on watching if you want to. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm whispering again. Did he take my highlight too? For my inner corner highlight,